Searching for the ultimate student home in Stockton? Look no further than Mandale Terrace, a stylish and convenient haven for students. Choose from a range of options: classic, deluxe ensuite rooms or studios, each designed for your comfort. After a long day, relax on a plush bed or catch up on your studies at the desk in your room. But that's just the beginning. Enjoy high-speed internet and stay cozy with central heating. The communal TV lets you enjoy movie nights with friends with the central heating system, always keeping you warm. Plus, with all utility bills included, you can focus on your studies without worrying about extra costs. Safety is a priority, with CCTV ensuring a secure environment. Ideally located near Teesside University and Middlesbrough College, you'll never be far from your lectures. After class, grab a coffee at the Pit Stop Diner or enjoy a meal at Flames Lounge. Convenient transport links make exploring Stockton simple and hassle-free. What are you waiting for? Elevate your student living at Mandale Terrace. Book your perfect room now on amberstudent.com.